Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to change resolution settings in Hollow Knight Silksong. Let's begin. First, in the main menu, you want to simply go into your options and then head into Video tab. And right on top we have resolution. Unfortunately, we don't really have a very big display, so we only have to manually go and find our desired resolution. As you can see, the smallest possible one is 640 by 480, and then we can go up here. And of course, we also should see different refresh rate options if your monitor supports options. Fine on 60, times type would be at 60 FPS. First, if you want to apply your changes, you want to simply hit apply, and then you want to hit keep resolution. And as you can see, we now have different resolution. Of course, if you want to go back, we can simply set defaults, and we should have our nice full HD resolution back. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.